Today the topic of my lecture is the policy making process. Here is lecture number 3. So there are some steps that helps in policy making process. These are: number 1, agenda setting, policy formulation, policy adoption, policy implementation, and policy evaluation. First of all, I'll let you know uh, what is agenda setting. What is it? So here comes agenda setting means what is when you are going to plan the policy for any project, are planning, you are going to do some plan, making plan something to achieve your goals. So you have to find out or figure out the issue or problem first of all. Okay, here comes agenda setting. Public attention focuses on a public problem or public issue. Officials' words and actions help focus attention. We can say that it is basically something. You are going to build something, you are in a process to build something. First of all, you have to plan for that, you have to make the policy, and for policy purpose you have to make some steps and you have to follow the steps. And first of all, you have to make the agenda, you have to find out the problem, what is the exact issue, you have to find it out, and then you have to apply others rest of the steps to formulate your policy regarding the project. So the second point is policy formulation. So the policy makers in the legislature and the bureaucracy take up the issue. Which issue? The issue that you will already told in agenda setting. The issue, the main issue, you have to find out the issue. What is the exact root cause? What is your problem that you are going to figure it out? Okay, so the policy makers in the legislature and the bureaucracy take up the issue that you have already told in agenda setting. They create legislative, regulatory, or programmatory strategies to address the problem. We all know that the here is the policy formulation. The two departments will come under this, that is legislature and bureaucracy. What is legislature? What is the function of legislature department? The legislature is here to make law. Legislature is basically made up of two Latin words: legislature, legis, and lata. Legis means to make law, to set law, and latum setting or giving of law. So the legislature means making or setting of law. Etymologically, it means making or setting of law. Legis means law, latum means to make or setting of something. So etymologically, legislature means making or setting of law. So the legislatures are also responsible for policy formulation. They have to find out the things that can help in making the policies, and so that they can figure out their problem. So the next point is policy adoption, and here comes the policy makers formally adopt a policy solution, usually in the form of legislation or rules. What is in the point of policy adoption? It means the policy makers of any state, the people who are responsible for making the policies, they formally officially adopt a policy solution that they think that can be helpful in policy adoption, and that would have maximum benefits by making this or adopting this policy that they are going to make for the required goals. It is usually in the form of legislation or rules. It can be any law or it can be any rule, that is rules or something that is implemented for the long period of time and that has taken the status of basically law. So that is policy formulation. So the next point is policy implementation. Government agencies begin the job of policy implementation basically means how to implement the policy that you have made. That you first you figure out the point, like what is the issue, then the fourth step here comes policy implementation. Now it's the time you have to implement your policy, you have to enforce your policy. So the government agencies begin the job of making the policy work by establishing procedures like writing guidance documents or issuing grants in aid to other governments. So here is it was policy implementation in the end, and the last one is policy evaluation. What is that policy evaluation? Policy evaluation is basically policy analysis inside and outside. Government determine whether the policy is addressing the problem and whether implementation is proceeding well or not. They may recommend revisions in the agenda, in the formulation of policy or in its implementation. Revision means they can repeat the steps. Policy evaluation is basically, we can say that, the result of the policy making process, the outcome, the feedback of the policy making process. That is the last step, and that is the crux of the whole procedure, whole policy making procedure. You can see that in the slide that the first of all here comes the agenda setting, secondly policy formulation, thirdly policy adoption, policy implementation, and in the end eventually the step is the policy evaluation, the result of policy that you have made, you have adopted, you are already at that point you have found out the issue, the problem. You have formulate the policy according to that problem or agenda setting. Then you have to adopt the policy adoption procedure. Then you will implement the policy, and in the end you will see the feedback, the result, the outcome of the policy that you have made according to the situation of the required problem. So I would say revision. I use this word revision. Revision in what sense? In the end, when you are at the point policy evaluation, they may recommend revisions in the agenda setting, the number one point, in the formulation of policy, the second point, and in its implementation, the fourth point, not the third point. When we would be at the last point, the policy evaluation, at the result, we would see that it's obvious, that it's basically obvious from the picture. We can say that we have to find out the result, then we would review it. We would see that whether we have got the required results, whether we have got the required goals, or we have achieved our targets or not. So what we would see that if we haven't got our the required goals or results, then what would we revise the steps? The steps includes the agenda setting, the policy formulation, and the thirdly is policy implementation. Because we can see that is there any problem in the agenda setting, or we were not able to find out the exact problem, or we couldn't be able to formulate the policy in an effective way, or we can not be able to implement the policy in an effective way. So that we can revise these three steps, so that we can be able to get our desirable results, desired the policy evaluation. So these are the points that can be helpful in policy making process. And if we are having any trouble or any problem by making policy, so we can revise the three steps I told you. Remember the three steps, that includes agenda setting, policy formulation, and in the end is policy implementation. So